Oh, let's go again. Another vlogs. Hindi pa hinog ang aking ano. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailan mo So the popular today's music Australian content creator by Elliot Chensray. Di ba sikat sila ngayon? So magkalaban sila ni Benson Bones and American Idol. And about our vocal music, exactly. Written good and talent because it's a foreigners. It's not like Asia. I love that it's over 21 years old. Stunning guitars and pianos. Hello. Are you okay? But I didn't work the music industry and parks. Hindi na tayo magkikita because all politicians in your country and me as loser. Hindi ako makakapag-travel sa ibang bansa. Andun ang pera ko sa gobyerno. Wala akong pera. Ang aking cash money support experience here in Philippines, tama lang sa pagkain ko sa araw-araw. That is a lot from 4 eaters a day and corrupted. All Filipinos tonight. You don't understand that? International followers. So my check today, I have you access to the followers. Ambitious kayo, hindi niyo ako fans. Ano, friends lang tayo, friends. And second look for consider each other to learn. Are watching videos and interpret others, whatever deliver for your works and speech. I'm gonna have to reach and for to become a friend. Well, welcome to Karor. Okay, dito na ako. Everybody. Ako, sana hindi ko na may masagi ito kasi masasabi na naman ito. So what I feel, kung matutuloy ako sa Extrovert International about MBA player, music, for Hollywood, for award, marami sila ibibigay sa akin man. Just not getting like logo because it needs space, about for rent, and whatever. Imagining chains online for longer hand. And I secured that orders to level, and I got level, you need that week. Always damages. And then down to me, our singers and actors, celebrities, sports players. Wow, Hong, I got you. Wala, habang buhay na lang tayong ganito. Ako, hindi, kahit anong gawin ko, hindi ako makakalabas ng bansa. I have no money. Magnanakaw muna ako sa mga bangko. Kaya ayaw nyo gumalaw, di ako gagalaw. Para may nangyari, di ba? Wala, tatanda na lang tayo at mamamatay. Pag-iwanan tayo ng panahon at oras. Because all will love them and all get them. I know! Because it's all will love them and get them. Okay, tapos na ako guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Hi, thank you Lord for finishing all single day for working in the Philippines and hard and all corrupted to me in our politics. I have the dark and bad. Well, blessing is complicated. Thank you for watching here. Bye. Mapait ako, mahaba ng liig ko, di ba? Ati mataba. Okay. Thank you.